Guys, welcome KK Java Tutorials. In this video tutorial, we will learn how to create a multi-module project in Maven. Yeah. So think about the enterprise application. There you have a lot of classes, resources, and other kind of file, right? So of course you can create a single project in Maven and you can dump inside that everything. But in that case, really managing these resources would be a little difficult. So Maven provides you a concept is called multi-module project. That means you can create a basically a parent project, and within the parent project you can have several child project. Like let's think about the any big application. There you have a web-based app component, like you have a kind of all the JSPs, CSS, HTML, JavaScript and all, and you have a controller classes, which is nothing but Java classes, right? And second thing, you have a different service layer. There you can have all kind of business logic, right? And you can have a DAW layer or data layer, right? So here, just say for this example, I'm going to break this application into let's say one parent and two child, right? So first of all, I'm going to create a parent. So go to the new other, and here search for the Maven. Yeah, this window you can get another way as well. Go to the file, new, and directly you get the Maven project. You do not get, then go to the other, and here again we get the same window. Here you can search Maven, right? And here I'm going to select Maven project and click on OK. Then here I'm going to select this checkbox, create a simple project, skip archetype section. So archetype don't want to select in this case, so just skip that one. Now here we need to provide few information like group ID. Group ID is nothing but it's a domain name in reverse order. So here I'm going to specify com.kk java tutorials. Yeah, and artifact ID nothing but your project name. So here I'm going to specify as parent app. That's our artifact ID, right? And most important thing what you have to keep in mind, packaging. When you create a multi-module project, packaging should be for parent packaging should be POM for parent project, right? So in earlier videos we created us two kind of basically Maven project. Web-based Maven project, there we had given the packaging as var, and non-web-based application they had, so we had given the packages jar. Here we are going to select packaging packaging as POM when you create a parent project, right? And here of course you can give the name and description that I'm going to skip. Now I'm going to click on the finish. So we have created parent app project, right? Now I'm going to create a child project. So right click again, go to there, it's again, and here at this time I'm going to select this second option, Maven module, and click on next. And here of course you have to provide the module name. So I would say web app. Yeah, and here I'm going to I'm not going to this select, I want to create web application. And here parent project you have to browse. So I have this parent project, this will be the parent of this web app, right? If you click on the next, then here it is asking me to select the archetype. So at this time archetype I'm going to select Maven archetype web app, so that this will give us opportunity to create a template for web-based application, right? So click on next. Okay, so now finally click on the finish, right? So one child project we have created, that is called web app. Now let's go ahead and create another child project. So I go to the project again, here I select again Maven Maven module, and here I need to give the module name. So I would say, let's say service app. There you can have all kind of service related code and dollar code as well, right? Now if you want to segregate service as well as dollar, then you can create one service app, and second is the, you can say data access app or something like that. But here I'm going to limit myself for only two child project, right? You can create a many child projects in this way, right? And now here I'm going to browse the parent, which is nothing, the parent app, and click on the next, and next, and finish. Yeah, so now let me show you the architecture of this child parent project. So if you look into the parent, we have a two folders: service, app, right, which are just this is child, first child, and second is the wave app, this is the second child. Look at the independently these three models. So here first of all I'm getting one compilation error in wave app. Let's see what is that. So here in the JSPT is showing this project has dependency on servlet API, and that is missing in pom.xml, right? So here we need to remove this extra stuff where I am getting the warning. So let's remove these things, right? So after, okay, it is again showing warning, so remove this one. So this is not needed, unnecessary, and that's the reason it is saying. Now I need to add this dependency, right? Servlet API dependency in pom.xml. So our web-based application depends on the servlet API. So let me format it and save it. So once you save, then this compilation error has gone. Yeah. So this is our web-based application with servlet dependency. You may add a lot of dependency later point of time, right? And I'm going to run this guy wave app, right? So I right click on this and I would say run as and Maven build, and here you can give the goal as install. So this guy is going to generate the war file, right? That will compile all the source code and that will generate the war file in target directory, right? And here you can see build success and war has generated. So I'm running independently this project as of now. This is the first child, and second child we have a service which is nothing but it's a Maven project. It's a second module, of course. And if you look into the POM here, unnecessary stuff I'm going to remove. So remove this stuff. This is not needed in model, right? This easily can be recognized by the artifact name itself, artifacts ID itself. So here here packaging is missing. So if there is no packaging stuff, then packaging would be a jar itself. Default packaging is jar. So here of course you can add packaging, but even though if you do not add packaging, then default would be jar itself. So now let's run this project independently. So I go to the run as and build, and here I will say install. Install is one of the cool of in the Maven. I run it. So this guy is going to generate a jar file, right, in the target directory. Here you can see jar has been generated in the target directory, right? Now let's try to understand this basically relationship, parent-child relationship. So here if you see the, so these projects you can run independently, but if you have a multi-model project, then running this kind of independently, it's good but not best practice, right? So what you have to do, you have a parent app, go to the parent app and directly, and here you can run as here you can go to the install directly. You can call the install, or you can go to the build and you can install you can specify the Maven goal as install and you can run. So here you can see all three projects built successful, and if you look into the hierarchy, right, so parent POM has a packaging is called POM, Wave app has a packaging war, and service app has packaging a jar. If you come down, then here you can see Wave app has built successfully and that generated war in target directory. If you come down, then we have a service app which has built successfully and generated a jar file in respective directory. So here you can see where is service app. Here you can see service app would have generated a jar. Where is that? Here you can search service app. Yeah, that has started. So that jar was I think already, so that's what you could not see jar, but no, it has generated here. That has generated in the here, right? So jar is generated for this, right? So you could say directly you can run the parent project, and child project will basically will be started automatically. Any of child got filled, that means parent is showing as a filled field, right? These things we have to keep in mind. Now let's try to understand the few of the elements within the pom.xml, right? So I go to the parent, and within the parent we have a two child. So if you look in the parent pom.xml, here packaging is the very important thing. What I said earlier, that should be packaged. And here you can see in the module section we have two modules. So web app and service app. If you create some more modules, that has to be added up here, right? That's the key point you have to keep in mind. Now if you look into the child forms, so service app, that's the child form. Here you will see very important information, that is the parent tag, right? In parent tag, here you can say group ID of your parent, artifact of your parent, or version of your parent. That should be added in your child, every child, right? Now if I go to the another child, that's a wave, right? Wave app. So here also parent information is available, right? So these are the few things you should keep in mind. So guys, that's all I wanted to discuss in this video tutorial. I hope you enjoy learning this video. Guys, big thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe KK Java Tutorials.